Shri Sai Satcharitra in Marathi by late Govind Raghunath Dabholkar. Translation in English by late Zareen. Adhyay 21, OV 45. घेऊ बाबाचे दर्शन, करू उभयता तयासी नमन. राहू तेथे एक दो दिन, येऊ परतोन कल्याणा. Let us take Baba's darshan. Both of us could bow down to him, stay there for a day or two, and return to Kalyan. परी तेच दिनी ठाणे शहरात, दिवाणीचे अदालतीत, मुकदमा सुनावणी निर्णीत, त्यागिली सोबत तदर्थ. But on that very day, in the civil court in Thane, a case was scheduled for hearing. Therefore, he had to give up the trip in his company. नानासाहेब आग्रह करीत, चला हो आहेत बाबा समर्थ, पूर्वीतील तुमचा दर्शनार्थ, किंपदार्थ तो मुकदमा. Nana Sahib coaxed him, come along, Baba is great. He will fulfill your desire for darshan. The case is a trivial matter. परी हे कैचे तयास पटे, तारीख चुकविता भय वाटे, चुकतील केवी हेलपट्टे, भालपट्टी लिहिलेले. But how could he be convinced? He was afraid of missing the date for the hearing. How could he avoid these futile visits which heaven had destined for him? नाना साहेब चांदोरकरे, कथिली पूर्वील प्रत्यंतरे, दर्शन काम धरिता अंतरे, विघ्न ते सारे बाजूला. Nana Sahib Chandorkar told him of previous experiences of other people about how their desire for darshan was always fulfilled and the difficulties warded off. परी येईना विश्वास जीवा, करीतील काय निज स्वभावा, म्हणती आधी घोर चुकवावा, निकाल लावावा दाव्याचा. But he could not bring himself to believe. He could not help his own nature. He said, first, let the worry get off my mind. Let the suit get over fast. असो मग ते ठाण्यास गेले, चांदोरकर शिर्डीस निघाले, दर्शन घेऊनी परत फिरले, नवल वर्तले इकडे पै. So be it. He then proceeded to Thane, while Chandorkar left for Shirdi. When he returned after the darshan, something wonderful had happened here. वेळी जरी हे हजर राहिले, दाव्याचे काम पुढे नेमिले, चांदोरकर ही हातचे गेले, खजील झाले अंतरी. Though he was present at the appointed time, the case was postponed. He had also missed going along with Chandorkar, and thus he was full of regrets. विश्वास ठेवितो बरे होते, चांदोरकर सवेने ते, दर्शनाचे कार्य उरकते, स्वस्थ चित्ते शिर्डीत. He wished that he had believed in him. Chandorkar would have taken him along with himself, and he would have had darshan peacefully at Shirdi. दाव्या परी दावा राहिला, साधू समागम ही अंतरला, उठाउठी निश्चय केला, जावयाला शिर्डीस. The case remained where it was, and he had lost the chance to see a saint. Therefore, on the spur of the moment, he decided to go to Shirdi. न जाणो मी शिर्डीस जाता, समयी नानाची भेट होता, स्वय निर्वितील साईनाथा, आनंद चित्ता होईल. He thought that perhaps when he reached Shirdi, if he was lucky, he would be able to meet Nana, and he would take him to Sainath personally. Then he would be very happy.